Hi kids, welcome to Computer Digital Learning Platform for grade 1. Today we are going to solve textbook activities 4, 5, 6 and 7 from page number 23 and 24. Topic Parts of a Computer. Through this session, we are learning to identify and name the different parts of a computer, and we are learning to describe the functions of parts of a computer. My dear children, be ready with your computer textbook, page number 23, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Let us start with activity number 4. Who am I? Here are the answers. First one is mouse, monitor, keyboard, speaker and CPU. Children, you need to read the sentences and fill the answers in the given space. For example, first question is A. I am used to point to and select the items which are shown on the monitor. Can you guess the answer, children? Yes, that is mouse. Now, write the mouse in the blanks. Similarly, you need to identify the correct answers and fill them in the blanks given. I will read all the sentences for your reference. B. I show photos, games and movies on my screen. C. I am used to type words on the screen of a computer. D. I am used to listen to songs on a computer. E. I am the brain of the computer. Children, these remaining questions you need to solve on your own. Now, we will move to the next activity number 5. Join the wires of the given computer so that it works correctly. Children, here are the parts of computer. You need to join the wires of all the parts so that it works correctly. For example, you need to connect monitor wire to the CPU like this. Similarly, you need to join keyboard and mouse wires too. Now, we will move to activity number 6. Circle the parts of a computer in the following picture. The count of each part of the computer is given below the picture. CPU, 2 pictures. Keyboard, 2 pictures. Monitor, 2 pictures. Mouse, 3 pictures. Children, you need to circle the all parts of a computer in the given picture. That is, first one is CPU. Here is the CPU. You need to circle like this. Next one is keyboard. Keyboard is here. Now circle it. Similarly, you need to identify all the parts of a computer and circle them. We will move to activity number 7. Write T for a true statement and F for a false statement in each box. First question is A. The CPU is the most important part of a computer. Children, is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Now, write T in the given box. Similarly, you need to write T for true and F for false statements in each box. I will read all the sentences for your reference. Next one is B. The keyboard looks like a television. C. The mouse helps us point to and select items. D. The keyboard works like a pencil of a computer. E. The speakers are used to listen to music on a computer. F. The mouse can print what you see on the monitor. These remaining questions you need to solve on your own. I hope you understood these all activities, children. Home play is complete the activities 4, 5, 6 and 7 from page number 23 and 24 in computer textbook and write activity 4 and 5 in computer notebook. Thank you, children. Bye.